Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things will help us make more great videos for you. This guide shows you how to get this Advanced System Properties menu back with computer name, hardware, advanced system protection and remote on Windows 11. Now under Windows 10 this was quite easy. You just click on the start button, type on your keyboard control panel and then click on control panel there like so, and then you just right click on system and go open, and then you'd get the system menu appear. But in Windows 11 unfortunately you get this new menu appear, which does give you quite a lot of the details that the old one did. I think it has got everything there and a bit more. But if you wanted to get into the advanced menu, then all you do is just click on this advanced system settings just there, and there we go. This menu comes up with all the different parts inside it, like device manager, computer name, performance settings, user profiles, startup and recovery, environment variables, and then of course you've got system protection there, so you can configure that. You can turn it on or you can turn it off, adjust the amount of room it takes up on your hard drive. And you've got the remote assistance there, which allows you to allow remote assistance connections to this computer, or allows you to remote into the computer from another system. Now that is a Windows 11 professional only feature, so if you've got the Home Edition you might not have some of these features in here. Another way you can get to this menu is just click on the start button there and just type Advanced System, and after a little while under Best Match you'll see View Advanced System Settings, left click on that and there you go, the menu comes up. So there you go, that guide showed you how to get the classic advanced system settings or properties back on your Windows 11 PC. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.